Hi little kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful western dress for girls. Here I am drawing the dress. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I draw the beautiful dress. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using Dome's watercolor palette to color this dress. You can use any kinds of color as you like. I am using here orange color to color this bow. I am covering all the dots with this orange color. Here I am using deep green color for the upper part of this dress. Now I am using the light green color for the bottom part. Wow, the dress is looking so beautiful. You should also try it at home. And thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.